Welcome students, I am Dr. H.S. Kumawat. Today we learn about over-the-counter exchange of India, OTCEI. There are a large number of small companies which do not get listing at large stock exchange because the listing fees of the large stock exchange is high, and these companies do not fulfill the minimum capital requirements for listing also. OTCEI was started in year 1992 with a view to provide market for these smaller companies. Over-the-counter exchange of India (OTCEI) has been incorporated as a company under Section 25 of the Indian Companies Act 1956. UTI, ICI, IDBI, SBI, Capital Markets, IFCI, GIC and its subsidiaries and Can Bank Financial Services are the promoters of OTCEI. OTCEI exchange has the following silent features. Trading in OTCEI exchange take place through a network of computers located at several places within the same city or even across cities. The members or dealers of OTCEI are linked to the central OTCEI computer. The member has computer and telecommunication facility. The OTC exchange does not list and trade in the companies listed on any other exchange. Financial institutions, banks, mutual funds, venture capital funds and large financial companies whose net worth is not less than rupees 2.5 crores can be members of OTC exchange. These members are authorized to carry out the sponsorship functions of OTC exchange. In OTC, sponsorship is a vital function. Sponsor members alone are entitled to sponsor a company for listing at this exchange. These members, before recommending a particular company for its listing on OTCEI, are required to carry out an appraisal to see whether it is technologically and financially viable or not. Next is OTCEI also has dealers, corporate body, partnership firms or individuals are selected as dealers by OTCEI committee. These dealers should have a net worth of rupees 5 lakhs. OTCEI was established basically to help the small companies to raise capital, but over time it has even added large capital companies to make it more viable. OTCEI has been tagged with NSE. OTCEI has been tagged with NSE to survive further. There is an urgent need to upgrade existing infrastructure technology of OTCEI to enable it to make a dent. For this, large-scale funding is required. The present day in respect of stock exchange is that we have 23 stock exchanges in India, while NSE means National Stock Exchange, BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, OTCEI and ISE can be looked upon as national level stock exchanges. The remaining are regional stock exchanges. It has been observed that bulk of trading in securities is done through two stock exchanges only, namely BSE and NSE, which have trading terminals all over the country. Here too we find that active daily trading happens only for securities of limited number of companies.